What is up, YouTube? So, we're going to start updating y'all. Instead of using the website, I'm just going to start using motovlogs for that. In case you can't tell, I dropped my bike when I went to sit on it the other day. I went to sit down on it, and the kickstand wasn't all the way out. But I had my hands on the bars, and it dropped, and instead of hurting myself and fucking more shit up, I decided to just fuck the bike up. Makes me a little more sense sometimes. But hopefully this will be a quicker one today. Last week's video will be up today when I upload this one. Oh man. So the dirt bike, I'm hoping to upload the video for the dirt bike tomorrow. The first video is going to be, or the second video actually, will be the rolling light. It'll be titled Rolling Right Along, and we're going to be changing the tires, the wheel bearings, axles, and brake rotors, because I got brake parts coming in the next week or two. In regards to the dirt bike, this week is like I said, it's rolling right along. Next week will be Bounce Back. That is I'm going to be rebuilding the forks with my buddy Tony. The guy I go ride with. Once we get the forks rebuilt, the brake parts should be here, and I will have ordered the oil conversion parts, the proper ones, and I'll update the spreadsheet. Don't worry. So the new conversion parts will be here. So next week will be brakes, and if time allows it, we will go ahead and do the oil conversion and the oil change. We'll see. I got to do all that yet. That's not next week, but the week after next. And then after that should be, so next week will be the forks. Week after will be brakes and oil. Week after that should be the, what's it called, not even the plastics. Those won't be in, well, no, those should be in this week, I think. Oh, I am trying to think, y'all. It is not the easiest thing to do this early in the morning, even though it's 11 o'clock. So we got the, I am trying to think. So, dirt bike, forks, or this weekend is tires and wheel bearings. Next week is forks. Week after is brakes and oil. And then the week after that, I should have all my body kits, like the new seat cover and all that, or new seat cover and the new frame cover for the right-hand side. So I'll be doing that as well. Shout out to Mom, by the way. Y'all can't see it, but I got a Gremlin bell on this bike now. What else we got? So dirt bike, that's what we're doing. And then, so the end of this month, I will order all the performance parts. Jet kit, a Pro Circuit exhaust, and I'm going to paint the header because I don't want that rusty-ass header on there looking like shit. And then, oh my gosh, dude, why are you hitting the brakes? Go figure, it's a Lincoln. But yeah, I think I'm going to start recording these on Saturdays, so that way I can edit them and upload them, and I'll set them to premiere on Sundays, because it is going to be Sunday Funday still. But I tend to schedule all the fun things I want to do, like hanging out with the boys, like smoking meats and grilling, cracking open cold ones. That all tends to be on Sundays. So Sunday Funday is going to be Saturday Funday, but the title will still be Sunday Funday. I'm going to take the update section off the website in case any of you really care. It's instead of putting updates there, I figure I'll just be consistent with these moto vlogs once a week to give y'all updates on build progress and stuff like that. And the more work that I tack on trying to get my channel to grow and subscribers and all that, because I'm not going to buy it. It's wrong. I'm going to try and do things organically. That's why you see dirt bike riding videos, moto vlogs. I'm playing racing games. The only reason I'm doing all this because it all kind of fits under the same general theme of power sports. So that's kind of like the whole channel, power sports, building them, racing them, practice, things like that. I'm thinking about doing a time lapse of this. Ooh, that's property for sale. I'm thinking about doing a time lapse of the thing. I want to build a toolbox to take with me to dirt bike trips. It'll hold all my tools, spare parts, and the idea is, because as of right now, I just go with Tony because he's got a trailer, and we just load it up there, or we just load up his trailer and go. So the idea would be I could buy, or with this toolbox, I can put a top on it. I can strap my cooler to the top, and I can put all my gear in it, and have tools and things of that nature. Holy cow, this mirror's off. And that's not even the side that went down. Ooh, I'm a little foggy. I don't know why. I feel like I have to really focus on corners. Well, it's a little chilly. I'd say a jacket would have been a good choice. But here we are, no jacket. And we're riding no hands again, as you can see. Because honestly, things can be more fun if you just have fun. And that is the key to life. You have to have fun to know what fun is. But if any of you are wondering, Junior's doing great. He is such a little stinker. Hopefully, everything comes into fruition where I can buy a house sooner than later. Because I would really like to live with my wife-elect and my son. As of right now, it's just fighting credit. I mean, I don't have bad credit, but I have a lot of loans, like this bad boy. And just trying to get my loans and credit cards and stuff paid off, so I can get that way I can have better credit to buy a house. Because better credit with a good down payment gives you more house. And I'd like to have something with at least a 2-car garage. Because that's what I need. It makes the most sense. Hello, fellow biker. Hey, he waved. Nice, he saw me. He almost didn't. Did y'all see that? How much time are we at right now? 8 minutes? I like this little loop. I could do it. It's a good quick loop, and I can get everything out real fast, but what's it called? We're already in 6, shit. So, as of right now, it's just, I'm waiting on parts to come in, all that fun stuff. Once all the parts show up, it's just finding the time to work on everything, to be quite honest. And as of right now, I've dedicated pretty much Saturday to, do these, which the idea is, 15, 20 minutes. I'll try and find some different routes to go on. This one's going to be a short one. But the idea is I can get a lot more done with videos, like with quick videos, and upload them, because I'm not editing these. If I do edit them, it's because, oh, hey, we stopped and nobody wants to watch you walk into the fucking Target and buy something. It can be funny, but a lot of the times, a lot of that stuff gets edited out by the big names. So I try to avoid that stuff. Like I try to avoid people who don't do the speed limit in the left lane. Like, look at this. It is 45. Or they're doing 45. Speed limit's 55. Dumbasses, I swear to God. Oh, fellow bikers, hello. I ain't even going to bother waiting because they ain't going to see me. We already know that. Ah, yeah, bitch. Go ahead, take a picture of me because you wanted to do foot 5 in the left lane. Don't worry, I got you on YouTube. Oh, but I'm trying to grow everything organically on YouTube, and to do that, it's just got to be, I just got to plan everything correctly, and I got to have a pretty consistent upload schedule and things like that. Because the idea is you have an active account, and you know people will start to watch, and they'll click, and the more they watch your videos, the better YouTube's algorithm, I guess, does for you. Even though it doesn't work that way, it's all based off of viewership and subscribers. And the more viewers you have, I mean, the more likely you will get subscribers. So we'll see. I'm trying, y'all. I got a lot going on in a week. People want me to work on their cars or their bikes, and it's like, here's how much the hourly rate is, and it's above any average at any shop because I don't want to work on someone else's junk. Actually, I'll probably cut that out. But I honestly don't want to work on other people's vehicles. Like, it's one thing, you know, like, I'm working on a motorcycle, I need help, I got a buddy that's got the tools I need, and he helps me with it. And then I help him with his bike. That's not an issue. Like, but when it's, I want this done now, I don't want to do it, man. Too much work. And people don't pay me enough to do that kind of stuff. So why would I do that? But yeah, so that's going to be it for Sunday Funday this week. My faithful 16 subscribers. Hopefully y'all actually watch these. Based on my views, nobody's watching them. One or two of y'all are. I know who you are. Don't worry. But yeah, so hopefully in the next, hopefully by the end of the month, all that's left of the dirt bike is performance parts. And then we're going to move on to, and then I'll start uploading riding videos again. The wife-elect wants to get into dirt biking, so I got to find her a bike and get it set up right and teach her how to ride and all that fun stuff. Excuse me. That tastes like pizza. Ooh. And then, aside from that, we're all good to go, but if y'all like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that little bell button in the corner. Let me know. And y'all have a safe time and enjoy your day. Happy Sunday Funday.